A very warm good morning to my lovely students. I hope that you all are doing well at home and enjoying online classes. Babies, as you know that corona is spreading so fast, so what you have to do, you have to stay at home. But due to some reasons, if you have to go out of the house, so what you have to do, have a look. First thing, wash your hands regularly and then wear mask properly. Now, before starting today's session, I want to tell you something very important. There is an information for your parents, and what is that? Have a look. That is, vaccination for the people above 18 years is going to start from 1st May 2021 and registration will start from 28th April 2021, that is tomorrow. So your parents can register their name for vaccination. So what you have to do after this class, inform your parent about this. Now let's move to the today's class. As we know that we are doing chapter 2, that is Nani's Walk to the Park, and today we are going to continue with this, and in today's class we are going to do language structure of chapter 2. Now what is in this topic, language structure? The first topic is synonyms. So first question is based on synonyms. So before starting question 1, let's know about synonyms. What are synonyms? So have a look. Synonyms are the words which have same meaning. It means the words which have same meaning are called synonyms. For example, have a look. Beautiful. We know that what is meaning of beautiful. Now another word which we can use for that is pretty. So pretty and beautiful are synonym of each other. Like that, you can have another example, happy. Now what is synonym for happy? There are many words. One I am going to tell you, that is joyful. So I think you understood it, that what are synonyms. Once again, I am going to tell you that the words which have same meaning are called synonyms. Now let's move to the question, and the question A says, complete the following sentences using synonyms of the words given in the help box. And words are feeble, pale, narrate, strong, hastily, breath, help, open, cunning, odor. So before starting its solution, have a look what are the meaning or synonyms of these given words. So number 1 is feeble and its synonym is weak. Then next is pale and its synonym is friend. Now number 3, the word which is given, that is narrate. And what is synonym of narrate? That is tell. For example, today I am going to narrate a story, or you can say today I am going to tell you a story. Now number 4, that is strong and its synonym is powerful. Number 5, we have hastily. Hastily means in hurry or quickly. Now let's move to the next one, that is number 6, and the word is breath. Now what is synonym of this breath? That is thickness. Now next, number 7, and that is help. And what is synonym of help? That is assistance. Now number 8, that is open and its synonym is frank. Number 9, that is cunning. Now what is meaning of cunning? Cunning means clever, and there are many words which have same meaning like cunning. One of them is crafty. Now number 10, that is odor, and its synonym is smell. Now let's do its solution part. Here we have number 1. She could finish her work due to my assistance. Number 2. My grandfather has become weak. Number 3. What is the thickness of this box? Number 4. I am very frank with my mother. Then number 5. Anisha is my friend. Now next is number 6. And number 6 is the fox is a very crafty animal. Number 7. A very bad smell was coming from the room. Number 8. They came to tell a story. Number 9. King Bikram was very powerful. And the last one, that is number 10. And that is she can complete any given task quickly. Now we are done with question 1. Now students, there is question B, and question B says use a dictionary and write synonyms for each of the following. It means you have to do this question yourself. Use dictionary for finding out the synonym of these given words. So students, that's all for today's session. I hope so you understood it very well. Now babies, see you in next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe and save lives. Bye. Bye-bye.